What if I told you a drone just did something only fighter pilots could do? No cockpit, no human trigger, no pilot breathing at 40,000 feet. And it shot down a supersonic jet target. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. At a test range near the Black Sea coast, Turkey's next-generation unmanned fighter, the Birektar Kizil Elma, made aviation history. For the first time ever, a fully autonomous combat drone detected, tracked, locked onto, and destroyed a jet-speed target in real flight using a beyond visual range missile. Let that sink in. No human pilot in control. Until now, drones were battlefield observers. They flew slowly, they dropped bombs, they hunted ground targets. But air-to-air combat? That was the final frontier. High speed, split-second decisions, extreme maneuvering. Only elite fighter pilots could handle that. Until today. During the test, Kizil Elma's onboard sensors detected a moving supersonic target drone. It calculated the trajectory, predicted the movement, locked on, fired, impact, target destroyed, all in seconds. No joystick, no radio command, just machine intelligence making combat decisions in real time. This isn't just a test, it signals a shift in modern warfare. Autonomous drones that can escort fighter jets, defend airspace, hunt enemy aircraft, and operate in high-risk zones without risking a pilot's life. The balance of air power is evolving, fast. The question isn't whether autonomous air combat is coming, it's already here. And this might be the moment historians look back on as the day aerial warfare changed forever. Subscribe if you want to see the future before everyone else does.